This large driveway was designed and installed by Gappsi in Laurel Hollow, New York. The apron of the driveway was paved with the granite 6x9s, tumble pavers. The whole driveway is all natural stones, combination of granite and limestone. The main field of the driveway, we use a small set Pompeii G45 limestone, leading to the courtyard and front door. The front courtyard, we use G46 small set limestone. Beautiful combination of all natural colors of browns, grays, maroons, blue. We also installed a Belgian block border. The whole driveway, blue limestone, was bordered with the beige granite. This is a very large driveway, over 15,000 square feet of natural stone pavers. There's also a courtyard in the back area of the house. Leading to the garage door. There's a backyard raised patio that we culture stones with the Eldorado culture stones, veneered copings with travertine. It's beautiful colors of the natural stones. This driveway has been here for over 10 years. We recently sealed the driveway, re-sand the joints, and the driveway looks better than new. We use high quality sealers and best qualities of polymetric sand. This is the latest job by Gappsi in Laurel Hollow, New York.